What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now it's Friday. I'm just going to do a quick video. I wasn't going to make one, but we got to talk about Sofi today. So I've been covering this one a lot on the channel. Now here are the catalysts if you want to check out that video, the catalysts that are coming up. I will also throw up a screenshot of the dates to know. Then we talked about the gap fill below in these videos and the offering here, and obviously Sofi going down to fill that gap at 1550. Pretty much everything worked out to a T. We bought the dip around 1550 and noticed that that gap wicked the entire fill, and I talk about that in this video. We also talk about the dark pools and smart money loading up on Sofi in this one right here, and today we saw a pop in the stock, and there's a couple things I want to show you guys and talk about. So in yesterday's video, we saw the dark pools loading up on Sofi, and that's what you want to do in this game. You want to follow the smart money and the large money. They are the ones who control the market. They move the stocks. So we noticed a lot of buying going into Sofi during that sell-off with the offering overreaction, and we knew that a big move was coming. Now the big move for Sofi has not happened yet. Here are the flows that I showed yesterday though. And we saw a bit of a reversal today from that sell-off, a bit of a bounce. Now we are into the 16 range, and we saw a ton of premium and call flow coming in, which is great. We love to see those buys come in. We actually had a bit more come in today, so this was at 12:55 p.m. Near the market close, we saw Sofi start to pop a bit more, get more attention, and those call flows really coming through. So $2 million went into Sofi near the close. Then we also have another one right here, highest volume options in the last hour of the market. And if we look right here, Sofi, 10-15, 15.5 strikes went crazy and got a ton of volume and, triggered a lot of these alerts to notice that Sofi was getting bought up. So I do believe we know the Galileo events on 10-14. That's a pretty big deal. But a big move is coming for Sofi. Maybe we get an announcement for the bank charter, or someone knows something about Sofi that's coming in the month of October. So just one article today on Sofi, again by the Motley Fool. They tend to cover this one a lot. Down 50%, this fintech IPO has 10x potential, and I very much think so as well. They talk about how it went public via SPAC. They have the video on YouTube, and if you guys want to search this, you'll find it right away. They talk about Sofi's member growth and how it's accelerating. They also go on to talk about Sofi Galileo and how that's one of the most bullish things about Sofi. Their third-party platform provides infrastructure to other companies, 79 million user accounts now on that platform. And they say that this was the main reason to invest in Sofi, not for their financial services. Then they talk about how they will be EBITDA positive soon, but it'll be kind of choppy. But they're not too worried about that at the moment. This is still a growing company. So decent article if you guys want to check that one out. All right, quick update on the chart. So we were in this downtrend right here, and we broke out of the downtrend, which is pretty bullish. We held everything very nicely on good volume. We have the MACD crossing up, and we're not even overbought yet. So nice break of the downtrend. Now we have support at 1597, second support at 1549. First resistance is 1671, so we will probably approach that on Monday. And second resistance, just breaking that 17 mark. So things are looking good for Sofi. That's where we're at on the 45-minute. Now let's check out the daily. And then looking at the daily here, so nice green candle on the day. And we are just pretty much trading in this channel. But the next big break for Sofi will be over 18 and holding that, for a couple days at least. Pretty solid, and then heading higher. Obviously we want to get this thing back into the 20s and then let those catalysts really take us higher, but we're not overbought yet. Things are still looking good for Sofi, and that's where we're at as far as the charts. All right, and to finish up the video, here is the 1 day large buy call flow for Sofi. So calls bought 511,000, calls sold 282,000, puts bought 0, puts sold 0. So that is just the 1 day large orders, 64% call flow, 36% put flow. Hope you guys enjoyed this update. Please like and subscribe, and have a good one.